Whoa, what up YouTube? This is Steven's channel, and I'm Steven, and this is another video. I decided to just throw a little something together for y'all. I'm on that Windows 11, got the computer set up. The children been on the computer playing games and stuff, so I just been letting them have their time with it, and they went hang out with their cousins. They came back, but they stepped out, hung with their cousins for a little while. So I came on here to poke around with the computer for a little bit to set it up for them. I want to do some things with it, get them their own accounts and everything. But I'm digressing. This first time like using Windows 11 in my own hands. I used it on other people's devices and stuff like that, and see all the little YouTube tutorials and everything. Everybody got the Windows 11. I don't know how long this gonna last. They inevitably gonna come out with a Windows 12, but I just wanted to document, make some content, and take y'all with me. So I'm gonna go and click on this get started thing and try to see what kind of new features they got on this operating system. So yeah, I'm not about to keep running my mouth through all this, but yeah, I'm just trying to get used to this new operating system basically. So I really went and downloaded Chrome so that I could sign into my channel and kind of put this together. I didn't want to just have a blank screen up, trying to kind of throw a little theme together, I guess. This is my channel, so I guess it's only right to just get a nice shot of my channel. I don't have it all decorated and everything, but this mine. Haven't really been taking it seriously, but I've been trying to step it up. I got my little shorts be taking off. My shorts be doing a few things, but yeah, I'm not gonna keep running my mouth. I'm about to basically get this machine set up so that I can have more tools in my content creators treasure chest. But right now I'm at about a good 55 subscribers. Shout out to the subscribers. I really do appreciate y'all. I don't say that enough. But again, this little CPU situation, it's gonna hopefully expand the horizons of this channel. Once again, I thank y'all for rocking with me. I'm not gonna keep this going too long. I feel like my mind is drifting all over the place, so I'm gonna just cut it off right here. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video. Subscribe for the future content. Peace.